Hey everyone, I'm Jason. That's me on the screen deciding to start a YouTube channel. I have been thinking about starting a YouTube channel for years. I guess I haven't started yet because of excuses like time or maybe scared of what people would think. In this video, you'll see some of what this channel will be all about. I do know that creative people like myself, we need an outlet for our creativity, almost like some people need therapy. I think that in many ways, I've hidden my creativity. With YouTube, I've found my people. I've been able to watch other people like myself share their passions and talents with the world. How lucky are we that we have the world at our fingertips, just beyond our mouse and keyboard. We have the means to create and make a living being creative. I want to thank other creatives like Four Eyes Furniture, Think Media, and Peter McKinnon for the inspiration, motivation, and education. From their videos, I have taken words of wisdom like start before you're ready and just press record. So that's fully what I intend to do. Well, I have a major back surgery coming up on April 18th, this 2023. And God willing, everything will go great. But there is always a chance that there could be difficulties. I would be disappointed in myself if I didn't finally start this channel while I was able, so I don't ever have to wonder what could have been. So many of my influences have been inspired by other influencers, and now hopefully I can inspire someone to just press record, to start before they are ready. Well, I hope you'll subscribe so we can see each other on the other side of my surgery. It's been a long time coming, but this is me starting my YouTube channel.